Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for Monday, the 6th of August. We'll go ahead and get into it. Before I get into the watch list, let's talk a little bit about the intraday movement of the SPY on Friday. So here we were. Here's your close on Thursday, and then in the after hours on Thursday night, you see the SPY was moving up. Then around 8:05 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, there was some talk with China, the tariffs, and you see kind of this flash down candle that got bought right back up. Then we kind of wandered here a little bit in the pre-market at 8:30. We had the jobs number, and the first reaction to the jobs number right here at around 8:30, 8:35, they kind of pushed it up. All right, and then they sold it back down. All that time, kind of holding below VWAP. And then as the market opened up around 10 o'clock, the market got back above VWAP here on the intraday chart of VWAP, pushed us back up. And then after that, it was kind of a battle here again for VWAP. And then finally, again, on Friday afternoon, about 10 minutes after 12, they started to move the market further up and close at the highs for the SPY. So that was kind of your action, right? We've been up since the market had this little sell-off here on the 2nd of August, all right? And since then, we've been pushing up throughout the last few days, and a strong close on Friday. We'll see what the futures are doing right now. It's about a couple of minutes after 6 o'clock. The futures just opened up. It's still very early in the session. Here's the futures right now. So the Dow futures are up 20, S&P futures up 2, NASDAQ futures up about 7. Like I said, it's about 2 minutes after 6 on a Sunday evening, and that's Eastern time. So we'll go ahead and get into the watch list for tomorrow. Now, some of these are swing trade ideas, some of them just day trading ideas. So I don't know if they're going to all trigger tomorrow. But they may be something that you want to keep on your watch list for the next couple of days. Some of them anyway. All right. So out of the chute, AMD is going to be on watch this whole entire week, this month. Showing good strength here. Earnings are out of the way. They gapped it up. So I'll keep AMD on watch, looking for either intraday plays or eventually looking for a possible swing trade. Of course, I would like a pullback in it. Not sure if I'll get that to get an entry, but I'll be watching AMD. Now, as far as day trade here, BLNK closed strong on Friday. BLNK, you can see here on the daily now, not a lot of volume. I guess just under a hair, under a million shares. So this one was trying to turn the corner. And here's the intraday chart for Friday as it was moving up into the close and then in the after hours. So BLNK could be a possible day trade tomorrow. Cassie looks like a possible swing trade to me, trying to get over this 750 area. Now, this is a biotech name, so they should put skull and crossbones on all the biotechs, right? Can be very dangerous. They can do offerings and things like that. So, but here's Cassie consolidating 750 number up ahead. Right now, strictly a day trading stock on that one. Would like to see more volume come in, only a little under 400,000 shares. CATM, nice move up, 2.6 million shares in CATM Business Services. They popped it up over 31. Looks like it had earnings or something. I'm not really sure if there was news what moved this one, but this one will be on watch for the next couple of days. CLF holding up very well. Still has this $11 break to get through on CLF. The high on Friday was $10.96, 10 million shares. Don't really have to worry about the volume on this one. The only thing is, you have X selling off after earnings, STLD, TMST is another one, and NUE, also steel name. But Cliff, I guess they do the iron ore. and they supply the iron ore for steel, but holding up pretty well here on CLF. So that'll be on watch either for a possible intraday play or a trade that could become a swing trade. So that one's on watch. COHU, nice move up here on this name. We have a resistance spot back here of 2666. We're at the high on Friday of 2646. So keep a COHU on watch. Possible nice move in that one. It could be given. Cree has the big $50 number up ahead. Looks like we had a recent high back here of 50.68. So we'll see the high on Friday for this name on Cree was 49.62. So I'll have this one on watch on CREE. CRMD, if you like these under $1 names, it's holding this 5 EMA, never broke down below 55 cents as of yet. You still have the highs from Friday, 66 cents. So maybe around 66, 67 cents if you like the under $1 name trade. CTRL, they had that news on Friday with one of the folks from Amazon coming over to CTRL. 2 million shares came in, has that 32 number up ahead. Big pop in this one. I was watching this one all day on Friday, and we only got a small little pullback where the dip buyers came back in and bought it back up. So very strong one there. So that'll be on watch. Dish had earnings. We'll watch this one for a possible break over this 100 SMA, which is currently at 34.18. Looks like it closed above it. The highs were 34.31. So keep your eye on Dish. Big expanding volume there after their earnings. ERII. Pollution and treatment controls, big move up, big volume. So this will be on watch. The high on Friday, 924. There was a high back here of 936. So that'll be on watch. Let's see, Guild, GILD. Let's see, their earnings are not till October, so trying to get up over this 78, 79 area, then maybe that $80 break. Guild maybe needs more time, but keep this GILD on watch. GME. Kind of in this channel consolidation, but holding the 50 SMA right now, has that 1550 number up ahead. Not a favorite, but if it can get up over maybe this 1536 area, might get a nice move. GoPro had a big pop. After their earnings, big move up on Friday. Be looking for maybe some consolidation, and who knows, maybe GoPro is back in play here. Groupon, nice reversal here in Groupon. Their earnings came out, they pushed it down, they bought it back up. 41 million shares, has that $5 number up ahead on Groupon. Possible intraday trader. Hess. Nice oil stock here, possible swing trade in this name, so I'll be watching that. HIVE, they are popping here, over 500,000 shares. The high was 478, so maybe back over 475 for a possible continuation move. Stock moved up well on Friday, so I'll have that on watch. MDRX, gap up on Friday, 5.6 million shares, $14 number up ahead. Possible intraday trader on this one. Nike, possible swing trade here, starting to pick a direction, holding above the 5 EMA. We had a previous high of 79.07. We got as high Friday as 78.98. So maybe over that 79.10 area for Nike for a possible swing. NSYS. Now this one made a big pop. We actually got a nice trade in this NSYS on Friday right here. We called it over $4.35, and the stock ran up to 535-ish. So NSYS gave a nice trade Friday. So I'll have that on watch again. Maybe it's done. It's starting to break down below the 5 EMA here. If it breaks 4, that probably means it's done on that name. OXBR had a big move on Friday. Financial services. I didn't get any trades in this on Friday. Was just watching it. 4 million shares came in on OXBR, so that'll be on watch. PGNX had a nice move up here. So the highs on Friday on this name 929, 3.2 million shares will definitely be on watch. PRTY, they pushed this one up, has that $16 number up ahead, 1.9 million shares, maybe a possible swing trade in PRTY. PXLW had a nice move up. Now we're still below the 200 SMA here, still below that 450 number, but very big expanding volume here. Nice move up. So we'll see if this sets up intraday. Semiconductor name with a big move. Ruby, RUBI. Nice move up, has the highs from Friday at 373, so maybe 375 is enough. We've hit it 370 once before and pulled back. So this will be on watch. 1 million shares came in on RUBI. RYAM could be a possible swing trade if we can get through this $20 level on RYAM. Strong sector hunt. HUN has been strong. CC has been very strong, popping up. So this RYAM will be on watch this week and the next couple of days, I guess. TRVN starting to turn the corner here, 2.5 million shares. Now, I don't like that it's under the 200 SMA. Could get over that quickly, though. 200 SMA on this stock is at 169. Prefer to get over about 175 on TRVN, so keep an eye on that one. Let's see, the three U's, security and protection, UUU, nice move up, almost a million shares on Friday. The high was $1.90. We have that $2 number up ahead. We had a big move up on this name all the way up to 350, so this three U's will be on watch. WMLP, a big move up. Now it got halted on Friday, so I'm not even sure if it's going to be trading tomorrow. There was a big move in this name, so keep an eye on this one. Maybe some, I don't know, it might be hard to locate shorts in this name on WMLP, but if they're out there, might be one to watch for a short. Be careful though, because it is a very low float stock, and you might even want to play it to the long side if we get up over, that $5 area again on WMLP. Not sure when they're going to open it though. Was halted on Friday. WTR, an old utility name if you're looking for something conservative, right? But has been coming up off of this 33 area, a rising stock here, trending up, has that 37.50 area up above, pays a nice dividend on WTR. So keep an eye on that one if that's kind of, where you're, if you're looking for a dividend paying utility stock, WTR, conservative type of play, conservative type of swing trade. All right, everybody, this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. I run a chat room. We do swing trading, day trading. We also have screen share up. We do education. We show our trade idea scanners throughout the day. We also have audio news into the room. We also have visual news into the room throughout the day. So if you want to come check out my service, my site is zozostockwatch.com. If you have any questions about my service, it's zozostockwatchinc@gmail.com. I'll put that information in the description box for you down below in that information box. All right, everybody, have a great night. Good day trading tomorrow.